As a dental hygienist, I need all the help I can get working out sore muscles after sitting like this all day, and this massage gun is my secret. It comes with 9 different heads. This is personally my favorite, and it is super easy to use. You just press the power button here and hold for 3 seconds until it lights up, and as you can see there, it says 99. That means it has a full battery charge. It does go down, but is rechargeable with a USB-C, and it does come with that cord. And then to turn it on, you're just gonna hold the plus button, and then you see it says level 1 there. That is level 1 of 30. I personally do not use this over level 5 because I just feel like it would get way too aggressive, but I will show it to you. So that is level 30, and my hand is actually starting to go numb. Using this on your back might hurt a little bit, especially if you're not used to massages. If you're someone who regularly gets deep tissue massages, you might like this high level setting, but definitely be careful with it because you could cause some bruising. And then to shut it off, you're just going to press the power button for 3 seconds again, and as you can see, it shuts off. It does have an automatic timer. After 20 minutes, it does just shut off for you so that you don't cause bruising and use it too much. But to change the heads too, you just pull this out, and then as I said, it does have 9 different heads. So it has the ball here. This one is pretty good. This one's kind of like a scoop, which is feels good going up those back muscles. Same thing just with like the fork, which is a little more aggressive. You might feel that more. And then this one I really like on my shoulders right here. This one feels really good like up the back of your calf or your arm if you've worked out those muscles. And these 3 I personally have not used, but they might feel good if you have like a localized knot in your back. It's just very, very pinpointed, so it might hurt if you use it too much or on a high setting. But I absolutely love this thing. I would 100% recommend it. It's kind of hard to do on yourself on your back. I personally just do it right on my upper back here where my neck muscles always hurt after work, but it is easier to use with 2 different people doing it. 10 out of 10, would highly recommend.